I'll give you $2 off your haircut.
What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy Yogin, man. We got Tito again in the video, you feel me?
What's up?
I'm gonna post a video for y'all today, man. He's just gonna be doing my hair the whole time. He do got a channel that I made, and I post like videos on there every week. So today we're gonna be posting my video on his channel and mine. So make sure y'all go check it out, man. We got the boy Andy over there. I don't know if y'all can see him. Bro look like a whole doctor over there. Yeah, there you go.
There you go.
Guys, if y'all do watch the videos, make sure y'all know that sneaky thing is coming out soon.
Oh yeah.
So we gonna be dropping like videos like crazy, cause I know that shit gonna blow up. So, and appreciate everybody that watching the video, man. Every shit that blowing up real quick.
Appreciate everybody for real.
Like for real, everybody that's coming in here and all that.
Give my boy a skip fade today.
Yeah, go tell him. What else you gonna do?
Do a skip fade with a little trim.
Yeah, that's my usual, man. If y'all want the usual that I get all the time, just say give me the yo or something like that, and he'll hook you up on that. So what your kids like really interested on YouTube?
What up?
Your kids, like you told me last time, they were like really interested.
Yeah, my boy Andre and my son Joe, they might be. We're gonna try to start them a little channel coming up soon, and see if we can put something out there. My kids are crazy, man. I love them to death. But they're super intelligent, super funny. Got a lot of cool ideas. So yeah, man. My son's on Instagram right now as what's it on?
We gonna put it right there. We gonna
We'll
put it in there.
We'll put the link on.
Yeah, I want y'all to go check it out.
Young Dre 11.
Alright, so if y'all
Dre_11.
Yeah, I'm gonna just put the thing, a little tag right there, so y'all go check that out. And if y'all really want them to start a channel, what they do, like Fortnite YouTube, like, right?
Yep, Fortnite.
So yeah,
YouTube,
they gonna be doing like Fortnite,
just random videos, and them just
any type of funny skits and all that. Yeah. So we might just put their channel on connected with his, so basically he can check all the stuff they post and all the stuff that like they can like just gain the subscribers together and all that.
Oh, yeah.
Like you know how I always got my second channel. It's like hooked up to my first one, so like that one gets subscribers and my first one gets subscribers.
Oh, yeah.
So both of y'all channel get subscribers like that much, that quick. So yeah, if y'all want that, man, if y'all want to see them, I can actually like play on my PS4 too, cause I be live streaming at nighttime though. So I don't know if they can play at night, but we gonna work some out that we can like make a video for the first time. So just introduce them to the video and stuff.
Yep.
And yo, just stay tuned for like a lot of stuff coming out this month. A lot, man. This month, I'm telling y'all, this month will be it. Cause Tito's saying this month the one now.
Yeah, in about a month, man. We're gonna start getting on the sneaker business, man. Trying to get it going.
You feel me?
And we're gonna be cleaning everybody's J's and Yeezys and
all the stuff, man.
You know what I'm saying? I mean, we're not gonna we get into like the Sperry's and the Timberlands and all that a little bit later.
Yeah, cause like suede and all that stuff. So we gonna work on like the high end shoes, you know, just get them out quick. So like, cause they're easy to work on and all that. So
we have a guy that's gonna be doing like graffiti on shoes too. We'll have him.
Hold up, now you tell me about that. Now, Tito, hold up.
We're gonna be having it going on. You know what I mean?
We got graffiti on, like, okay, so if y'all want to get y'all custom made shoes.
Yeah, custom. We're going to have a custom guy doing custom work there. We'll start off with
I can do that too, though, Tito. You know that?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, man. All we need is the prints. I know you get it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I worked on my Tim, like, I did, like, roses and with, like, a whole bunch of stuff on the side.
Like the Supreme logo. We put Gucci inside, Air Force
anything y'all want, man. We probably going to, you going to have, like, a printer or something, like,
well,
something like that, right?
Dude, he orders the
prints. So you just put it on
there.
Shit.
You know what I'm saying? So that cuts out a lot of trouble. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, so we ain't got to really do much.
So yeah, all the sneakers we're gonna be using Rejuvenator. We're gonna they're gonna hopefully after a few months of using their product, they'll make us ambassadors of their shoe brand.
Yeah, for the company.
So we be able to sell their stuff. You know, we be able to sell kits. You know what I'm saying? Things that you can take home, like sprays, deodorizers, all that stuff like that. So I'm working on that right now.
So yeah, Tito basically like connected with my channel. Like he's got his own channel, but all of us work together. So we gonna do on my shit, so they can like just sponsor his channel.
Everybody gonna eat around here.
You feel me? Everybody. We gonna have cameras everywhere. Like how long you think? Give it a guess real quick.
In about within the month.
Yeah. Now I'm saying like cameras for everybody where they're like just starting up real good now.
Oh yeah, well, I mean, you know what I'm saying?
Couple months. We gonna get like about 6-7 months or something.
Yeah.
I say about a year. I say a whole year. We
this
get a
whole
year.
year gonna be crazy, bro.
Yeah. The rest of the year, man, we gonna bust down on everybody. We gonna show you how to fry shit and
Yeah, y'all definitely come check us out. 1057 Baxter Street, back of the building.
You feel me?
Yeah, man.
It's always packed, so you ain't gonna miss it.
Yep.
And don't come on Fridays, cause it's always packed like here. My boy gotta be looking like alfalfa in here. Man, I had to come out the house like this, so y'all gonna see what Tito do to your head, man. This motherfucker heavy as hell.
Arm burn.
Alright, let me show y'all what the side looking like, man. As y'all can see, the side looking clean, you feel me? Got the whole side out. And let me see. People like, it be like a lot of people now, right? On your channel? You get like, leave like 30, 40 something?
Yeah.
Yeah, so whoever watching, man, some of y'all ain't subscribed. Even my channel right here, if y'all watching right now. Half of y'all like is not subscribed, like 60% of y'all. It don't matter if y'all is subscribed, but it would be really like helpful for both of us. Like if y'all do subscribe, so we can get our ads and stuff going on quicker. Cause he needs to get 1,000 subscribers, that's it. And 4,000 hours will come like right after like he posting videos quick every day and shit.
Hey, matter of fact, if y'all really want to do it, y'all really want to do it, y'all come over here and you kind of, if we see that you like doing the video or subscribe anything,
yeah,
I'll give you $2 off your haircut.
Say it again, Tito.
Yeah, give you $2 off your haircut.
Okay. There you go. Alright, so if y'all really like support us all the way, man, just turn on notifications, turn on subscribe, share every video y'all see like that y'all really like. Y'all ain't gotta do every single video, like I ain't telling y'all to do anything, but just show love, man. We gonna show you love back. That's what we're saying.
Yep.
I got a little hair in my mouth.
Yeah, so I mean, and I might have, you know, especially when Georgia today's their first game, go Dogs.
Oh yeah, go
We're
Dogs.
gonna be doing. My brother might be coming and cooking food on Saturdays, game days, okay. And we'll be doing. You know, you can come and get some nice barbecue.
Just hook up with the group.
You know, anywhere from $5 to $8. We're not trying to kill your pocket. You know, so
yeah,
just come and get you a little lunch before or after you watch the game. So yeah, you can be getting your hair cut and get some grub.
Tell them we got the flavor, man.
Oh yeah, man. We can do it all, man. We're gonna be doing it all this year.
We're gonna have it all for y'all, man. We gonna basically like stay tuned on his Instagram. You gonna post everything on Instagram?
Yeah, I post everything on Instagram.
Yeah, so I want y'all to go to his Instagram right now, like follow on there. So if y'all really want the food and all that, just like, you know, come over here. Y'all can even probably watch the game. They might have it on here.
Oh, we'll definitely have it on there. We already got the package. We good.
Yeah, they already got the game down. So if y'all want to come down here, you know, just chill. If y'all do a little bit of bad stuff, you know, y'all can do little stuff like that in the car and come in here. You feel me?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he got what I said.
Yep.
So yeah, man, I want y'all to just show love, cause we already think about stuff we can already do for y'all, man. We got the crispy eggs, all that. We do got like a couple kids in here that's getting their haircut, so yeah, we do like all types of hair. Kids, grown, everybody. If you bald, we still give you a little fade.
Yeah, all races, baby.
Feel me? Everybody, man. The vibe in here just like you just gonna wanna like, you know, make this your main barber and shit. So that's why I want y'all to stay tuned to everything we post. When the game start? This Saturday?
Yeah, they start today. Beat Bandy.
No cap. Y'all heard me. Got Chris on it. That camera heavy as it is. Goddamn, getting swole over here. Ain't wait for the sneaker thing though.
Yeah.
I know that shit gonna be fire.
Yeah, me too.
I should have brought my camera, my laptop. I would have made that channel. You You mean just making it like send you the details?
Oh yeah, that's
Cause we ain't got nobody here. You want to do? So I could like really just do another video and then just post it for your next week. So we'll just have a video we can post after each other. Like
yeah.
that'd be really good. Like we could like start doing that. Like when I do come like record,
Yeah.
we could like do like 2 videos. So we can have one for 1 week and next week. So we ain't gotta really like take time and edit and all that shit. I just edit both on one day. Y'all can see that little clean cut, man. You feel me? Where y'all lines at? You know lines at. They gonna Andy right though. That fire, boy.
You need him?
You feel
Fresh
me?
cut by Tito. Thank you.
Yeah. Let me go meet y'all, everybody, real quick, man. Y'all ain't see me. What's up, OG?
What's up, man? How you doing?
My boy right there. You got something to say, man?
What's up, man?
Where Andy went? Oh, Andy right here, cleaning up some flavor. There you go. That's all. So what you got, man? Y'all just saw that?
We're gonna be posting many videos. My boy Yogan is gonna be coming in, at least twice a week, man, to shoot some videos on standby. So yeah, man, y'all check us out, subscribe.
You
Check
feel
it out
me?
next time. Tito's Professional Barbershop.
Okay.